For versus since. So dear friends, let's get started. What's the difference? The word for and since can both be used to express the duration of time, but they are used in different ways. Since. Since is used to indicate the starting point of a time frame or action. For example, David has worked here since 2010. For. For is used to show the duration of a time with a specific length or period. Example, I studied for 3 hours. Summary. In summary, for shows the length of time while since indicates the starting point of a time frame. I've been studying for 3 hours, indicating the length of time, 3 hours. I haven't seen him since last week, indicating the specific time last week. Respected friends, love this post, save this post, share with as many people as possible. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. May God bless all of you. Take care. Bye-bye.